Check this out! Hold it right there! What do we have here? Candy? I knew it! It's not what it looks like! Oh, I hate it here!
Awkward. And weird.
Salty snacks? Absolutely not! I'm disgusted by this! Go! And no pouting!
Hi there.
I don't trust that smile. And now I see why! Can't you read the rules? No soda, no ice cream, no fun!
Aw, man. Fine. What's his problem?
Enough! Oh no! Oh, silly non-stick sign! Ah, for crying out loud!
Whatever. He needs this. Sir? Need some glue?
Why, yes. How did you know? Just what I need. Thanks.
My pleasure. In more ways than one. Glue, be gone. I'd prefer something a bit chewier. Enter bubblegum. Now get in there. Okay, there we go. A glue stick of gum. It's showtime. Sir? Can I go in? Please?
Well, okay. Have fun in there.
Worked like a charm. And as a reward for my hard work? So worth the risk. From glue to gum. And sad to happy. Hello there. What's up?
Hold on, I love this part. What do you want? And what's all this? Listen, girl. Read it and weep.
Hey! What the?
Rules are rules. You dig? Not in my classroom.
Whatever, bro.
She gets it.
What's his problem? I need my snacks. And what's with that fit? Who does he think he is? And those moves? Huh. I'll be back. I'll pop these in here for a sec. While I slip into something more comfortable. Boom! I love my clothes baggy. Way more room for snacks. Now stay in there, you hear? Can't forget about the pockets. Oh, so many pockets. Uh-huh, that's right. No one will know. Fashion is my middle name, and sneaky snacks are my game. Keep it casual, keep it casual. How's it hanging, brosif? You hear me? I don't have all day.
Nice fit. I'm loving that chain. In fact… let's hit the dance floor! Uh-huh!
Get down!
Oh yeah!
Try to keep up, Teach!
Definitely!
Let's go!
Break it down, break it down! Oh yeah! We're meant to be! Get it?
I hear ya, Teach. Put her there. Uh-huh. Oh no. Too much dancing! My juice box! Hey, I didn't pee, okay? See?
Is that juice? What else do you have? Release! You sneaky, sneaky student!
Oh no! It's all coming out!
You lied to me!
So what?
Just go. Nobody fools me.
Bring on the grub. Sweet, salty morsel.
These cat videos are too much. Uh-oh. Sour cream? And onion? Mindy, you sneaky snake! Stop that chip! Not allowed!
Oh, how did he know? I'll just stay hungry, I guess. Oh.
That's right. Aww, how nice.
Who's he texting anyway?
I love you too. Gah! Unsend! Unsend! Not that face! What have I done? I need moisture stat! And something for this hair! I need a makeover so bad! Okay, smooth it out, smooth it out. Ugh, Okay, is this better? Worse? Why? I want to be handsome! Oh, what about this? Wow, give me some of that!
No. He's just hopeless. This hair!
What?
Just let me try something. What should we do? Color? Or maybe this one? Yikes. Maybe something with more volume.
Too much, you mean? Get it out!
You don't like it?
Not really. But I think I have a better idea.
My clip? Wait, you want to wear this?
I sure do. They're so cute.
I'm glad you think so. 'Cause they're the answer to our problem. Just clip them on in there. What do you think?
I think I'm in love. Are these great or what?
Problem solved. Send her a pic.
I sure will. I look good.
You do. I much prefer my clips with a little sugar. So good. And convenient. Am I a genius or what? What's he doing over there?
Come on, move! Ugh! I want to start working out. Am I just dehydrated? Or is that juice?
Yeah, so…
Ugh, come on, you know the rules. Read them and go.
Fine. Why is he so ridiculous? He seems a little preoccupied. Well, very preoccupied.
Ouch! You're going down! Oh, go! Come on! Okay, I can't do this anymore. Nope.
Silly teacher. I bet I can help. I just need a little disguise. Fill her up. Are you sure this is cherry juice? Or something a bit more serious? Like a mussel, perhaps? Yeah, baby. Need a hand?
Whoa! You're packing! Be my guest!
I thought you'd never ask.
Push!
This is really heavy!
Is it moving? Hey! It's tipping! Catch it!
Oh boy!
Hold on! Oh no! We're going down!
Help! Oh boy, that hurt! Uh-oh! Stupid idea! My juice is getting everywhere!
Ow! Blood? Ugh.
Anything left? Aw, man. I didn't even get a sip. Come on, up we go. I still have this one. I guess all hope's not lost. Cheers! Refreshing. All better. Have a good nap, Teach. Brilliant, right? Beautiful morning, huh?
I'll be the judge of that. Turn! Aha! Just as I suspected! Candy! Don't you remember the rules?
Hey! I really wanted to eat those. Now what? Good morning, sir.
I don't know. Is it? Turn!
Like that?
Go on in.
She gets to go? Not on my watch. Wait, no! Oh, that was a close one. Ouch! That really hurt.
Ooh, I felt that one. Hey! Somebody call an ambulance! Please!
Jeez. Hey!
We need help!
Oh, yeah?
In here! Help!
Yep, I'm doing it. Whoa! Something's happening. Doctor's in. Anyway. Watch this. Gotta sneak some Skittles. Some water is key. Just keep mixing until it looks like this. Is it just me, or do these look like pills? Hopefully the teacher does too. We're about to find out. Let's go. I'm here! She needs some medication immediately! I can help you!
Oh, crisis averted.
I made it! I can't believe you bought it! So simple. Wow! Candy? You want some? I guess that's okay. Help yourself. Ooh, interesting. Very good. Tastes like a Skittle. Yep, I know. Oh, I love medicine. I'm sugar sick. Guess I am too. Hi there, sir.
You know the rules. Read 'em.
It's a little close for me.
Understand? Well…
I've had enough of your rules. This hallway ain't big enough for the two of us. You're going down, mister. I'm gonna get ya!
Hey!
Come on! We're going downtown.
Do we have to?
Now sit down and be quiet. I've got some snacking to do.
I need a new job.
Here, you'll feel better.
I don't think so.